Hello friends, welcome to our GK Notebook YouTube channel. Friends, আমি আমার প্রিভিয়াস ভিডিওতে সিলেক্টেড কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্সের ব্যাপারে আলোচনা করেছিলাম এবং সেখানে বলেছিলাম আমি প্রত্যেক মাসের সিলেক্টেড কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স এই চ্যানেলে প্রোভাইড করব। আর সেই কথা মতন আজকে আমি মে মাসের 100+ সিলেক্টেড কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স নিয়ে এসেছি, যেগুলো খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট আমাদের যেসব এক্সামগুলো আসছে সেগুলোর জন্য। তো চলুন শুরু করা যাক। ভিডিও শুরুতে আমি আমার সকল বন্ধুদের বলবো, যারা এখনও অবধি এই চ্যানেলটা সাবস্ক্রাইব করেনি তারা এই চ্যানেলটা সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নেবেন এবং যদি এই ভিডিওটা আপনাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে নিশ্চয়ই একটা লাইক দিয়ে দেবেন। তো চলুন শুরু করা যাক। Labor Day or International Workers' Day is celebrated annually on 1st May. Former Indian football captain Chuni Goswami passed away in Kolkata. Under his captaincy, the Indian football team won gold at the 1962 Asian Games, finished runner-up at the Asian Cup in 1964. Manipur black rice, also known as chakao, has got geographical indication GI tag. Manipur Dr. Thangjam Dabli Singh conferred Order of Rising Sun by Japan government. Former Axis Bank CEO Shikha Sharma appointed as advisor of Google Pay India. FIFA launches the We Will Win campaign to pay for health workers. Ramanand Sagar's popular TV serial Ramayan becomes the world's most watched show. Senior IAS officer Tarun Bajaj takes Economic Affairs Secretary charge. World Tuna Day is observed on May 2nd every year. Kashmir saffron has got the geographical indication tag. Sania Mirza becomes first Indian to win the Fed Cup Heart Award. World Press Freedom Day celebrated annually on 3rd May. Ramesh Babu appointed as Director Operation of the National Thermal Power Corporation Limited. All India Institute of Ayurveda AIIA and Delhi Police organized Ayur Raksha program to fight against COVID-19. International Firefighters Day is observed on May 4th. HDFC Bank has released Hum Haar Nahi Manenge, a collaborated song. The song is composed by musician A.R. Rahman. The former snooker world champion Peter Edborn has retired from professional snooker because of his injury. India has become the world's third largest publisher of science and engineering articles with over 1.35 lakhs scientific papers published. The former Chief Justice of the Chhattisgarh High Court and Lokpal member Justice Ajay Kumar Tripathi died on the coronavirus infection. Dr. Harshvardhan launches COVID Katha, a multimedia guideline on COVID-19. World Asthma Day is observed everywhere on the first Tuesday of May. Himachal Pradesh government decided to start the Mukhyamantri Shahri Rozgar Guarantee Yojana. In this Yojana, 120 days assured employment will be provided to people living in urban areas. Facebook and Bollywood came together for the I for India concert. The main goal of this concert is the Rise Fund for those who have no work and no home and do not know where their next meal is coming from. Indian Navy has launched Operation Samudra Setu to bring back the Indians that are stuck in the Maldives. Exit app has been launched by West Bengal government for people from other state who are stuck in West Bengal and aim to return to their native places. Professor Saurav Lodha from IIT Bombay has received Young Career Award in Nanoscience and Technology for the year 2020. Uttar Pradesh government has launched Ayush Kavach app to provide updates on COVID-19. DRDO has developed an ultraviolet disinfection tower that can be used against COVID-19. The DRDO full form is the Defense Research and Development Organization. World Athletes Day is observed every year on May 4th. The central government appoints Tarun Bajaj as director on RBI Central Board. Iran is going to change its currency from existing rial to Toman. Government of India started Vande Bharat mission that aims to bring home Indians stuck abroad due to the COVID-19 pandemic. World Thalassemia Day is celebrated every year on 8 May. World Red Cross Day is celebrated on 8 May each year. Red Cross logo was designed by Henry Dunant in 1863. Dia Mirza appointed as United Nations Environment Programme Goodwill Ambassador until 2022. The central government has launched the Ayush Sanjeevani app. Indian cricketer Ajinkya Rahane becomes a brand ambassador for Elisa Crop. Delhi has registered the high internet penetration while Kerala ranks second according to the study by Internet and Mobile Association of India. China launched Long March 5, which is a heavy lift launch system. India is talks with Russia to import cooking coal to reduce dependence on other. Madhya Pradesh has become the first state in the country to provide midday meal ration. Yes Bank has appointed Neeraj Dhawan as its Chief Risk Officer. Maharashtra became the first state in India to provide free and cashless insurance cover to its people. The Indian government declared 11 May as National Technology Day. In 1998, in that day, Indians successfully tested nuclear bombs in Pokhran. Government of India launched Mission Sagar to provide assistance to the Indian Ocean region nations. Historian Harishankar Vasudevan dies of COVID-19 in Kolkata. Bangalore launches Pranavayu program to create awareness on need to self-examine respiratory health. Writer Vadan writes his third book titled Fear of God. International Nurse Day is observed globally on 12 May every year. The birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, she was also known as Lady with the Lamp. Israel has named a street Tagore Reov in Tel Aviv after celebrated poet Rabindranath Tagore's 159th birthday. National Institute of Virology, Pune develops India's first antibody testing kit, ELISA. Bangaluru's Kempegowda International Airport was voted by customers at the best regional airport in India and Central Asia. Indu Shekhar Chaturvedi take charge as Secretary of the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Jharkhand's Soharai Kovar painting and Telangana's Tele Rumal were given the geographical indication tag. CBSE has appointed IAS Manoj Ahuja as the new chairman of the board. India ranks 74th on WEF's Global Energy Translation Index. ICCR launches song United We Fight to fight against COVID-19. Here full form of ICCR is Indian Council for Cultural Relations. IAS Vasudha Mishra has been appointed as Secretary, Union Public Service. International Day of Family is observed every year on 15 May. Slovenia is the first country in Europe to declare an end to its coronavirus outbreak. World Bank has approved 1 billion for India to support its fight against coronavirus. Actor Sai Gundewara, who worked in PK movie, died in the US after long battle with cancer. The International Day of Light is celebrated on 16 May each year. National Dengue Day is observed in India on 16 May. PM Care Fund Trust allocated 3,100 crore to fight against COVID-19. International Museum Day is celebrated every year on 18 May. Amphan is the first super cyclone storm in the Bay of Bengal, and this storm got this name from Thailand. World Meteorology Day is observed every year on 20 May. Meteorology is the scientific study of measurement. National Testing Abhyas app launched, which provides free mock tests to the JEE and NEET aspirants. Union Health Minister Harshvardhan take charge as WHO Executive Board Chairman. Kotak Mahindra Bank becoming the first bank in India to introduce video KYC in the account opening process. ICC Cricket Committee head by Anil Kumble banned saliva use to sign the ball, but player can use sweat to polish the ball. Scientists discover new species of fungus, now the officially called Traglomyces twitteri. It's the Latin name. Anti-Terrorism Day is observed every year on 21st May to mark the death anniversary of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, who was assassinated on this day in 1991. Manipur's Kundol has been listed among the top 10 global initiatives to fight COVID-19. Indian Railways manufactured its first 12,000 horsepower electric locomotive WAG 12. The locomotive has manufactured by Madhepura Electro Loco factory in Bihar. South Central Railway Zone of Indian Railways has developed a robotic device equipment called Railbot to effectively manage patients' care in hospitals. The central government launched National Migrant Information System to monitor migrant workers during lockdown across the country. Three-time Olympic champion hockey player Balbir Singh passed away at the age of 96. Andhra Pradesh government has launched a new program, Restart, to support the MSME sector in the state. The full form of MSME is Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Indian Navy formed Nav Rakshak PPE kit. This PPE kit provides comfort to healthcare workers working against COVID-19 pandemic. Facebook launched new audio calling app, Catch Up. Program Hunar Haat will start from September 2020 with the theme of Local to Global. Under the Char Dham project, the Border Road Organization has completed construction of a 440-meter long tunnel named Chamba Tunnel below the busy Chamba town, which would be reduce the journey of Char Dham. Adidas hosts global virtual sports event Home Team Hero to fight COVID-19. Harry Potter author J.K. Rowling has released the first 5 chapters of a new book, The Lekabog, online for free. Tejas Mk-1 A4C aircraft has been inducted by the Indian Air Force into the squadron, the Flying Bullets. Uttar Pradesh government to develop 800-kilometer herbal belt to plant medicine, herbal trees along highways. Urdu writer and Padma Shri winner Mujtaba Hussain passed away at the age of 87. Ashri Lekha said to become Kerala's first woman IPS officer to reach the post DGP. Madhya Pradesh government launched Rozgar Setu Yojana to help migrant workers. Missile Park Agniprastha to be set up at INS Kalinga in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Goa celebrates the Statehood Day on May 30 every year. Wipro appoints Thierry Delaporte as new CEO and MD. And our last current affairs. India's first tribal lady Vice Chancellor Sona Jharia Minch was appointed in Sidhu Kanu Murum University in Jharkhand's Dumka. তো বন্ধুরা, এই 104খানা কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স আমার মে মাসের মনে হয়েছে এগুলো সিলেক্ট করার মতন, তাই এগুলোকে আমি আমার লিস্টের মধ্যে নিয়েছি। সাথে আর একটা কথা বলবো, এই মাসে আমি একটুখানি সময়টা কম পেয়েছি, তাই কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্সগুলোকে শুধু আমি ইংলিশে ছেড়ে দিয়েছি। নেক্সট মান্থ থেকে যখন আমি কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্সগুলো নিয়ে আসবো, তখন ইংলিশ তো থাকবেই, সাথে নিচে আমি বাংলাতেও কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্সগুলো করে দেবো। তাতে যারা বাংলাতেও পড়ছে তাদের জন্য সেটা সুবিধা হবে। আর সবশেষে বলবো, ভিডিওটা আপনাদের কেমন লেগেছে সেটা নিশ্চয়ই কমেন্ট সেকশানে লিখবেন। ভিডিওর উপরে যদি আপনাদের কোনো সাজেশন থাকে, তো তা সেটাও নিশ্চয়ই জানাবেন। আর ভিডিওটা যদি আপনাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে নিশ্চয়ই একটা লাইক দিয়ে দেবেন, আর সাথে চ্যানেলটা কিন্তু সাবস্ক্রাইব করে নেবেন। আর ফিউচারে যেসব ভিডিওগুলো আসছে সেগুলো নোটিফিকেশন পেতে বেল আইকনে ক্লিক